old GoPro mic. So that's the noise reduction mode off, white light off. So I'm going to ride around with this under my shirt. But the wee magnet, I'm going to put it about there somewhere. Hopefully it stays on with the magnet. It's under my shirt right there. Second gear. A bumper of a car. These take cars down here, like. Woo! Right into first. Oh my god, that was sketchy. Woo! Right, up this one. On the left this time. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, my hands are killing me. Fucking hell, I had to put my foot down on the only boulder here. And then that way it won't come off. If I clip that on there, see if I put that there. Hopefully that stays on, huh? Let's try that. See what that does, eh? At least that way I can see it. If it falls off for that.